Unworthy.
Oh wait, it didn't work.
Oh, come on!
Used it in like a couple years.
They don't. That's all we know how to do.
It's like stomach problems. And I'm like, well, you don't like water, you don't like milk, you hate ice cream.
What?
And I'm like, I don't know.
Girl, I hate to tell you this, but if I brought you home to Wisconsin, you wouldn't last a day. What's going on in this world?
It was a good day until that happened.
Still eat the top one.
We have a vacuum cleaner on a leash right here, dog.
Party foul! Oh, everybody's sad face.
Party foul on the
Top
wind.
ones are good. Wait, what do you? Yes, I'm
ready?
ready. Opa! Opa!
This is the way you make Cheeto wine. There we go. Oh, sorry.
There we go.
Now.
Well, I thought maybe like if I do this, then people will see that there's a dollar amount in there, and they will also want to contribute. Are you taking a photo or are you filming?
Filming.
They're not gonna stick like a dime.
This is important toward my education.
But still grab the hot dog and...
This is Eric Harlow. Everybody knows Sunny.
Hi.
What are we here for?
We are celebrating 10 years of Jabronie Picture awesomeness and? Trying to fundraise for me to pay for all my costs for BADA. My BADA related costs.
What's BADA?
The British American Drama Academy in Oxford, England.
One of my favorite characters
In what?
is this black guy from this show I watch. And I'm gonna meet him.
This is Ray Ray's super fan.
I'm not a super fan.
Yeah,
I'm a
you
mega
are?
Fan.
Oh, you're a mega fan.
Ultra fan.
Ray Ray!
I gotta go. To the food,
I'm taking you to my car.
No, I gotta...
It's Ray Ray. Tell me about Canada. Johnny Depp. Did you see the new Pirates movie?
About
Go
you,
troll
man.
him. It's like we're here for Sunny. No, I'm here for Ray Ray. No, that's mean. That's mean. No, but it's cool to meet you.
Sure, man, I appreciate it.
Let me know when you start busting out the facts you get from Google. I heard about that.
Yeah.
I heard about that.
really
Neil
look
told me
around
that.
Yeah. Where's Neil?
My English major to use, I guess.
Yeah, I heard from Megan that guy and
My auntie, God, don't say nothing. Like, oh yes, I'm talking.
Can I have some of your buns, Neil? And you guys?
Just like her mom.
Yeah. Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. And your daughter's like far away.
Hey, guy, come do me a favor and sign this poster for me. All right.
No, he's the one that from Anime Kanji.
Was that the same one?
Yeah, it's the same
Yeah,
one.
man.
It's the same one that we signed. Of
course
yeah,
I
you
did.
you did sign that.
Did I sign it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there another one?
Thanks. Snacks.
That's a lot of exclamation points. Oh my gosh, thanks, Jay.
Yeah, of course.
Exclamation points.
Hey. What should I put? Give me a word. Was that what? Pickle? Don't forget to eat your pickles. There you go. Fuck. Reposter.
That's mean.
Your pickles. So I'm like, I have to think about it too.
Sunny, can you sign our poster, please?
Makes me happy.
Arnold, did you want her to write anything personalized?
Whatever. What? She's gonna write whatever.
I know what I want.
Eat your veggies. I don't know.
So to Arnold.
Sandwiches? You want that?
Damn, I wish Jay put like take that ass clown or something.
Oh yeah.
So to Arnold.
All right, you can write that on mine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can you write Baka Yaru right there?
I don't even know how to spell that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I guess you can see it okay with this color.
I can. Thank you.
Of course.
He is boss. He's like,
Watch him move! You almost hit him!
I don't know why.
Sorry! Fail! Fail! He can catch it, but he can't throw it. You're not supposed to try. How do you do it? Lightly. Light.
Oh.